After a 2-year break from politics, former Vice President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, John F. Kharshiing, had once again entered into the political arena by associating himself with the National People's Party (NPP) at a formal function held on 11th October in the presence of the NPP President and Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA. John F. Kharshiing stated that after having observed the various programs and policies of the party, he felt that it was the right decision for him to join the NPP. Kharshiing expressed his satisfaction at having joined a homegrown party that has a presence at the national level. Speaking about the founder of the NPP, late Purno A. Sangma, Kharshiing appreciated the status of the former Speaker of the Lok Sabha and said that he is privileged to be a part of a party that could even produce a Prime Minister due to its national presence.
As you are aware, I had resigned from the Congress in 2019 as a former Vice President of the Mpcc. And since then I had been not associated with any party, and it is after a long consideration of a gap of almost 2 years, and after observing the programs, the policies of the various and the political scenario in the state, I feel I'm privileged that I have been able to join a party which is also not only a party from Meghalaya, but it also is a party which has a national presence. It is a great privilege to be part of such a party with such a leader, and I'm very sure that we all recall that the founder of this party, late Sri P.S. Sangma, whom I had a lot of close associations and a lot of memories with him. He, Meghalaya has produced a former Lok Sabha Speaker, former union ministers. We don't know, maybe the NPP could be also, Meghalaya could be in a position to also produce a Prime Minister. That is not, cannot be ruled out. It's a national party. The politics in India is changing every time. And I feel it is our bounden duty to support such a homegrown party which has reached the national level.